Hey guys, today's video is going to be my January Boxycharm unboxing. I'm super excited to open this. I haven't looked at spoilers this month. I don't even know if they did spoilers for this month. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, I'll have a link down below. It is the best monthly subscription service, $21 a month. Every box is totally worth it. Boxy and chill is the theme for this month. Oh, by the way, I got a new microphone for my camera. Let me know if you guys notice a difference in... Okay, I just gotta pause because I already see one thing I'm so friggin' excited for. But anyway, yeah, let me know if you see a difference in, hear a difference in, I can't even think straight because I'm so excited for this. Let me know if you hear a sound difference in this video. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this out. I am so excited for this. This is the Resale Milk Restorative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I friggin' love this stuff so much. I actually have, yes, I have a little mini one right here that is empty. Ooh, this is actually bigger. Ooh. So this little mini one is 0.75 ounces and this is 2 ounces. Woo! It smells amazing, makes your hair feel amazing. It retails for $12. I'm already so friggin' excited for this box. $1 Billion Brows, it's a universal brow pencil. Looks like that, retails for $18. Yeah, you know, just, it's a brow pencil. My brows, as you guys point out numerous times, suck. Everyone's like, oh my god, Vanessa, your eyebrows, you're a beauty guru, you don't do your eyebrows. Next is a product from Ofra. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick in Miami Fever. This retails for, where is it? 20 bucks. I've tried Ofra liquid lipsticks before and I kind of like them. You know, they're all right. I know a lot of people on YouTube like them. They have rebranded themselves. They have different packaging. Let's see if I have an Ofra lippy right here. I don't. No, I don't. This color isn't really my color. It's like a orangey reddish color, like a clay color. Not really my color, but you know, we'll give it a shot. Okay, next we have something from Tatcha. Ooh, we got 2 things from Tatcha. This is a Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Oh my gosh, I have the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and I absolutely love it. So I am so excited to try this out. So it comes with 2 masks. These retail for $24 a piece or $24 for 2, because $24 for 1 mask, that's a lot of money. The last thing in the box, as always, is a palette from Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea palette. Wait a second. We've already gotten this before. Unless there's more than one Rainforest of the Sea palette. Let's see. Oh man, I'm gonna be bummed if it's the same one. It's the same one, I think. Is it? Hold on. Let me look. It's the same one. What's going on? We've definitely gotten this in a Boxycharm before. I feel like does it have new packaging? Okay, well, my thoughts on this box. So I'm super excited about the Resale Leave-In Conditioning Spray. It is amazing. I love it so much. I am really excited to use these masks. The brow pencil, you know, I'll use it. I'm not an eyebrow person. I just try to do the bare minimum. I don't like shape them or anything. They're just kind of like merp. So we'll try that out. And then this color, like I said, isn't really a color that I would wear. Doesn't smell. You know, it's like a clay color, but I'll give it a shot and see what it looks like. But this palette, you guys, I'm kind of disappointed. We've already gotten it before. I would show you guys my other one, although I think the packaging's different. This looks different. But I would show you guys my other one, but I actually gave it away to a friend of mine because I wasn't using it. And I'm bummed! You know what? I still love Boxycharm. I still stand behind them. Some people might be getting this and be super excited because maybe you didn't get the box that had this palette in it. So that is it for my January 2019. Happy frickin' New Year, everyone, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that yet. But yeah, that's it for my unboxing for the month of January. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link down below. I will also link my previous Boxycharm unboxing videos if you need more convincing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.